That is what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's a pretty good one. I might have to weigh you.
What's going on today, guys? Steve with Salty Fresh Florida checking in with another episode. Basically, on this channel, I'm trying to relearn how to fish after taking about 20 years off. Things are a little bit different in today's day and age. I will show you the gear, show you the spot on Google Maps, and hopefully catch some fish. Let me show you the spot I found. All right, here is the spot. It's out in an industrial area. Basically going to be working this bank. This is a connection point between these two. See what any monsters we can find. Let me show you the gear. In this spot, I'll be throwing the Booyah Frog, just like in episode 2 where I caught some nice fish. My brother's been having some good luck on the Topwater Popper. Caught my first fish on this guy. Also, for the first time throwing this 4-inch Yamamoto Seiko. Caught my first fish on this one too. Let's get out there and let me show you.
All right, new spot, never been here before. Let's put the frog to work. Oh, man. Okay. That's a pretty big fish. Now we know. There's fish out here. He hit that one out in the open. That's a monster. That was a monster. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Ninja. All right. There's one on the top water. Nice. That look tasty to you this morning? Good, because I have switched 3 baits after missing some of your mom, probably. Okay, I'll take it. I will take it. All right, well, I had a couple good frog bites early on, and then just couldn't land them. Had 3 good bites, missed both of them. Switched to about 3 other different baits, didn't have a single bite. Threw on the Spro Popper and finally caught one.
After missing a couple fish on day 1 on the frogs, I had to come back for day 2. Let me show you what happened.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't come on. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Get up. Oh, man. That is what I'm talking about right there. Good morning. That is what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's a pretty good one. I might have to weigh you. Oh, 3.5. All right. Nice 3-pounder. 3.5. First fish on the Seiko. Nice. See you later, dude. You got it. Go ahead, bub. Put you in the weeds. There he goes. Fun fish. 3.5-pounder. All right.
Man, what a cool spot. I think there's some more monsters in there. I might have to go back. If you like this episode, press the like button. If you saw anything that you want to add a comment to, do so below. And obviously subscribe to see where I'm going to be next. I'm going to end with some bonus footage. I had the opportunity to fish with my dad the other day out on the John boat that he's been working on. I've never actually caught fish in a John boat. This was the first time, so glad to be able to do that with my dad. Check it out. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one. Ooh.
Oh, got him that time. All right, you're not gonna get off. Oh, he's hooked pretty good. Get up here in the boat. Yes, sir.
In the boat.
In the boat. That paddle tail switch did the trick. Oh yeah, it's a monster.
Oh, he's a cutie.
Could use him as bait. Oh, right here by the boat. He's about as big as the lure. Two in the boat.
Oh, he's swimming away in the we take a little water on.
Nope, he's coming back to you. Get a hold of him.
Oh, he's back here in the back.
Taking on some water. See you later, bud.